Hello students, welcome to my channel Basic Mathematics. Today we will discuss about the most important concept in mathematics, that is function, which has a vital role in developing different branches of mathematics. Right? तो एबे हम देखिबा से फंक्शन कौन या पूर्व आम पढ़ी relation from one set to another set, relation from one set to another set. What is that? Now, any subset of a Cartesian product B is a relation from A to B. हम पढ़ी A Cartesian product B रो जेकोनोसी subset आप नबा, that was a relation from A to B. और से रिलेशन भितर हम देखिथिले टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशंस जोठी मेनी वन आस्तिला, वन मेनी रिलेशन आस्तिला, वन वन रिलेशन भी थिला, राइट? तो आज हमें पढ़िबा फंक्शन. Our function is also a type of relation. It is one type of relation. That means a relation having some specific properties, specific characteristics. बुझिले? गोटे relation, basically a function is a relation having special characters. Special character. What are those characters? Let us see. Yes, function definition. A function f is a relation from one set A to a set B satisfying the following conditions. Following conditions. Number one, domain of f, that is domain of f is equal to, from a set A, it is equal, or you may write x to y, capital X to capital Y, whatever it is equal to x. And number two, f is not one many. It is not a one many relation, right? एमती लिखवा a relation f from one set x to a set y is called a function if it satisfies the following conditions. A relation f from one set x to another set y is said to be a function, or is called a function if it satisfies the following conditions. What are those? The domain of the relation should be equal to x, number one. And number two, it should not be one many. It should not be one many means, that is xy belongs to f and xz belongs to f implies y is equal to z. This is if the relation satisfies these two conditions, then we say that it is a function from x to y. Let us see. Let us see some examples. Suppose we will take example. Let x is equal to say ABC. Yes. Y is equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. These are two sets, x and y. Yes. What is x Cartesian product y then? X Cartesian product y. Yes, it is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Similarly, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, C1, C2, C3, C4, sorry, C4, C5. Right? This is the Cartesian product, x Cartesian product y. We may have एथरू different relations करी परिवे. Suppose हम गोटे relation लिखिली say f1 is a relation केमती it is suppose a1 b2 a3, right? It is a subset of this. First we have to check whether it is a relation from x to or y or not. That means हमको तीनटा point check करियो. First thing, it should be a relation from x to y. Second thing, its domain should equal to x. And third one is f should not be one many. एठी कोन हेछि देखिबा. No doubt f1 is a relation f1 is a relation from x to y because it is a subset of x Cartesian product y. So it is a relation from x to y. And you see what is its domain? Yes, हमें समस्त सीधास्त domain बाहर करिया पई बाहर कर परिबा के a b, the first elements of the order pairs present in the relation. Yes, it is a b, and you see clearly it is not equal to your x. x रे कोन अछि a b c, domain here कोन हला a b. So domain is not equal to x. Number 1, it does not satisfy this condition. Then also it is not, it is one many because again also b2 belongs to a1 belongs to f1 and a3 belongs to f1. So f1 is one many. It is one many. So it is not a function. Thus f1 is not a function. It's not a function from x to y. It is not a function from x to y. Why? Because its domain is not equal to x. It is also one many. दीटा जाक कंडीशन भितर को गोटाई भी सैटिस्फाई कला देखिबा आउ गोटे नबा f2 नबा a2 b3 c1 b1, right? You see it is a subset of x to y, a x Cartesian product y. It is a subset of x Cartesian product y. F2 is a subset of x Cartesian product y. So F2 is a relation, no doubt. Here, देखिए domain of F2. Domain of F2 will be A, B, C, which is equal to x, and F2 is one many, because you see B3 is there, B1 is there. One element of x is related to more than one element of y. X ର ଗୋଟିଏ element କିଏ ସେ B, y ର ଏକାଧିକ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ସହିତ ରିଲେସନ ରଖିଛି। B ର 3 ସହିତ ଅଛି, B ର 1 ସହିତ ଅଛି। ତେଣୁ ଏଇଠି ଆମେ କହିବା ଯେ it is one many. So F2 is also not a, so F2 is not a function. It is not a function from x to y. देखो ये मैं लिखुची from x to y. This is very important. This is very important. Why? ना गोटे ये जो रिलेशन टा one many होची कि ना कि यार डोमेन इक्वल टू x आसुची कि ना, it depends upon x, not only the relation only. It also depends upon x and y. So देखिबा हम आगे देखिबा केमती भाबरे x आ a को चेंज कला जेतले रियल फंक्शन पढिबा आगु को जिबा सेतले देखि. So it's very important to mention the sets. Function खाली कह देले meaningless. So it is not a function. Again we will take another, say f3. f3 naba a5 b1 c4, right? अच्छा c5 लिखिए, no problem. Here you see it is a subset of x Cartesian product y, so it must be a function, it must be a relation from x to y. जेहेतु एटा x Cartesian product y रा सबसेट होची, तेणु निश्चित भाव रे एटा गोटे relation from x to y, right? And what is its domain? Domain of F3, first elements of the set of order pairs K, A, B, C, A, B, C. It is equal to your x. It is equal to your x, right? So first condition is satisfied. Next, let us test whether it is one many or not. You see, A is only related to 5. It has no other relations, no relation to any other element of y. Similarly, B is only related to 1. C is only related to 5. C has no two different relations, not related to two different elements of y. So F3 is not one many. Thus, F3 is a function from x to y. It is many one, no doubt. It is many one. तो many one ऊपर हमर किछ कहबार नाही. जदि रिलेशन टा one many हेइथिबो ताहले एटा फंक्शन हबनी मेनी वन हेले फंक्शन हेई परिबो यस सो आवर f3 is a function from x to y it is a function from x to y तो एई भली भाबरे मु गोटे तीनटा एग्जांपल नेली रिलेशन रो ता भितरे टेस्ट कली कोटा फंक्शन नुए तो आमे एमिति जदी देखिबा एथिरे केते सबसेट केते रियल नंबर्स सॉरी रिलेशंस आसीबो फ्रॉम x to y how many relations na 2 to the power 3 into 5 2 to the power 15 or large number of relations will be there तो चेष्टा करो एमती मैक्सिमम जति पारुच तमे रिलेशंस गुडा लेख एवं से माने फंक्शन की ना टेस्ट करो एवं कंफर्म हो लेख इफ इट इज नॉट ए फंक्शन देन व्हाई it is not a function right you have to mention so that it will be clear and you will be acquainted with the conditions two conditions only yes a relation from a set x to a set y will be a function if its domain is equal to x and it is not one many एतिक जिंस आमे कंफर्म हबा दरकार ए टेस्ट करे हम प्रति मुहूर्त रे गोटे फंक्शन कहला माने आखिया की आसी जीव फटकरी जे इट इज ए रिलेशन फ्रॉम x to y and its domain is equal to x and it is not one many right ये तीनटा जिंस हम मुंड भितर पसि गोटे फंक्शन कहि देला माने आमे ता ऊपर ए तीनटा ऑब्जर्वेशन हमर आसी right conclusion आसी जीव okay so this is the definition of function and the process by which you can check a relation is a function or not you take तुमे निज हिसाब रे दीटा सेट नियो मो सेट नवा आवश्यक नाही x गोटे y गोटे relations from x to y arbitrarily तमे लिखि चलो एवं सेगुडी का फंक्शन की ना टेस्ट करो राइट तो एबे आसीबा देखिबा जे इन जो गुडा का लिखिले हमें फंक्शन फ्रॉम x to y ता भितरे हां बिफोर दैट let us write the synonyms of function synonyms of function are mapping map transformation or simply transform and mapping right mapping mapping transformation operator out ala correspondence ई शब्द गुडी भितर जे कोनसी गोटे से फंक्शन को बुझेबो फंक्शन त हम जानले ताकू मैप कहि परिबा मैपिंग कहि परिबा बा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कहि परिबा ट्रांसफॉर्म कहि परिबा ऑपरेटर कहि परिबा बा करेस्पोंडेंस इट इज ए करेस्पोंडेंस ए भले हमें सब वर्ड रे ताकू शब्द रे डिफाइन करि परिबा बा उच्चारण करि परिबा राइट त कथा होची एबे आमे केमति लिखिबा सिंबॉलिकली यस मैथमेटिक्स always deals with symbols we say that it is a mapping it is a map it is a correspondence it is an operator like this and so कहि परिबा त ताकू लिखिबा केमति एते कथा हमें लिखुना symbolically we write it as if f is a function acha symbolically write simply Symbolically, we write it as in f is a mapping from x to y, right? Or x f y and read as f is a function from x to y. x कौन y कौन, these are two sets. आमे जेतबेले देखुछि जे f is a function from, आमे लिखिबा एमती f is a पढिबा एबडा f is a function from x to y. तो ई दुईटा कांसेप्ट आमे एमती लिखिबा और x f y लिखिबा, राइट? सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन. And right, if x y belongs to f, right? If x y, f is a, what is it? Is a relation, it is a subset of the Cartesian product x Cartesian x and y, x Cartesian product y. ता माने एटे कोन थिबो? It is a set of order pairs like this x y. जेतबेले x y belongs to f, we write it as y is equal to f of x, right? Y is equal to f of s, x, y is equal to fx. x y belongs to f माने same, x y belongs to f कहबा जा, y is equal to fx कहबा से. Here y is called the value or image of x under f, and x is called the pre-image of y under f. X is called the pre-image of f under pre-image of y under f. Y is the image of x under f, and x is called the pre-image of y under f, right? x को हम तार pre-image कहबा. pre-image गोटे दीटा तीनटा 10टा भी हेइ पारे, राइट? किंतु इमेज सदा यूनिक, नले कोन हे जिवटा वन मेनी हे जिवो. इमेज इज ऑलवेज यूनिक फॉर a x, राइट? ताहले वर्तमान हम देखिबा दुईटी जिंस हम देखिले जे जेतेबेले x y belongs to f अछि, हमें लेखुच ताकू y इक्वल fx. ये जो y इक्वल fx साधारणतः हमें ए फॉर्म रे लेखु y इक्वल fx. Just call a formula. Y is called the image of f, image of x under f, and x is called pre-image of y under f. है. अच्छा. Here sometimes we write it as like this. Most of the times we write it as a formula. Y is equal to fx. That means y is expressed as a function, as an expression of x, right? Here x varies over x stands for any element of x, and y stands for an element in y corresponding any element of x, capital X, and y stands for an element in y corresponding to the element x in x. जोटी हमें y is equal fx लिखिले एठी x गोटे representative. It is a symbol which represents an element of x, and y is an element of y. Small y is an element of y. किंतु यदि x टा free, suppose x is here, this is x, this is y, we have a function from this, suppose here x1, x2, x3 up to xn number of elements are there, here y1, y2, y3 like this, ym elements are there, right? तो कौन हिची यार गोटे प्रत्येक एलिमेंट थिबो कोटी थिबो तो एठी जेतले x थिला x1 y हेबो y2, x2 थिले y3, x3 हेले y टा के मूल्य आसीबो y3, x3 करेस्पोंडिंग वैल्यू y3 आसीला, किंतु आमर जो x here y is equal fx लिखिचो x एठी vary करूची over this set of elements in x, it can be the representative of any element in x. कहेंगे ना domain of the function is equal to x, so x can take any value here, and the corresponding value of fx, that is y, so it may not take all the values of the elements of capital Y. ये जो y हमें कहूचु ए y टा x ऊपर डिपेंड करूची, x रा को मूल्य से अनुसार y रा मूल्य आछी, मन इच्छा एटी जेंति x मन इच्छा वेरी करूची from x1 to, you can give any value of x from capital X, but you cannot give any value to y for an element of y. You have to choose the element to which your x is related. x रा जो मूल्य टा एठी एपई रिलेटेड थिबो, माने करो f of x2 it is y3, f of x3 it is y3, it is y4 हमें लिखि परिबा नहीं, it is not equal to y4, or it is not equal to y1, it is not equal to y5, ये सब जिंस हमें लिखि परिबा नहीं, y मन इच्छा वेरी कर परिबा नहीं, x रा मूल्य ऊपर डिपेंड करूची, तेनु एठी जेतले x y इक्वल fx हमें सिंपली गोटे फार्मूला आकार रे लिखु, सेठी x टा को कहू गोटे इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड y को कहू गोटे डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, काहेकि ना y रो मूल्य सब बेले x ऊपरे डिपेंड करूची. हमें गोटे शॉर्टकट गोटे एग्जांपल नहीं परिबा, सपोज हम नहीं x is equal to abc, y is equal to say p q r s t like this एवढे अछि हां ताले f गोटे हम लिखिली ap bp cr. No doubt it is a subset of x Cartesian product y. So it is a relation domain of f df kete asila a b c. So it is equal to x and it is not one many. A रो गोटे x रो गोटे एलिमेंट y रो एकाधिक एलिमेंट सहित रिलेशन रखी नहंती. F is not one many. It is not one many, right? So f is a function. It is a function from x to y. It is a function. Same jinso. It is a function from x to y. तो एठी हमें कहि परिबा जते बेले हमें कहबा f of a here ap you see ap ba f of a is equal to p, f of b is equal to p, f of c is equal to r. You see हमें जदि लिखिबा एक गोटे फॉर्मूला ऊपर y is equal to fx तो लिखि परिबा नै हमें रियल फंक्शन रे लिखिबा. तो anyway you see here x varies, x takes the value a b c जे कौन सी वैल्यू x रो नहीं गला तो कॉरेस्पोंडिंग वैल्यू y रो एग्जैक्टली f of a असला p, f of a r हे परिबनी q हे परिबनी p, f of b p असला, f of c r असला. आ गोटे कथा p आ r को छाडी देले y रो मूल्य आ काहा को टच करू नाही करि परिबो नाही कैन नॉट. तेनो एडी y रो मूल्यटा सदा बेले x ऊपर डिपेंड करूची. का ऊपर डिपेंड करूची x ऊपर डिपेंड करूची. सेति में हमें ताको कहू इंडिपेंडेंट x टा को कहा जाउची इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, y टा को कहा जाय डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. x is the pre-image of y and y is the image of x. Right? गोटे एलिमेंट रो एकाधिक प्री इमेज रही परिबे किंतु गोटे एलिमेंट रो इमेज यूनिक आसीबो गोटी आसीबो दीटा आसीबो नाही. राइट ये हला अबाउट इमेज सॉरी फंक्शन. राइट सो लेट अस yes write the image of any set. Suppose this is the notice, these are the notations, right? Function का करंती केमती हमें लिखिबा. right? yes the diagrammatic representation of a function, right? Diagrammatic representation केमती हम दउचु ठीक अछि हम पर दे देबा. फर्स्ट हम देखिबा let f अच्छा what about domain, codomain and range? You see f is a function from x to y means if it is a function then f must be a relation from x to y. It is a relation from x to y. It must be a relation. So as in case of relation हम पढ़िथिले domain of f कोन the set of elements x belongs to x such that there exists at least one such that y is equal to fx. The set of elements of x which are related to here, it must be equal to x. एठी किछि भाबिबार नहीं कहेंगे it is a function, its domain must be equal to x, right? What about its codomain? Codomain must be equal to y. Codomain of y akhi buji ko, if f is a function from x to y, then its domain is x and codomain is y. But its range of f hala the set of elements of y for which xy belongs to f for at least it is a function means there exists exactly one y belongs to this. Yes, xy belongs to f for at least one x belongs to x. It is the range. As in case of relation, I mean range janichu, right? Clearly, range of f is a subset of the codomain of f. Always it is a subset. It may be a proper subset, no problem. It may be a proper subset, or at best it is equal to y, equal to the codomain. Yes. So these are the concepts. Already we are acquainted how to find out the domain, how to find out the codomain of a relation, and how to get the range of a relation. Achha. Let us discuss another concept. Let f be a function from x to y and a is a subset of x. A is a subset of x. Then f of a is equal to x, fx, such that x belongs to a, right? This is the set of elements fx, or that x belongs to a. And let us take an example. Suppose your x was abc, y hoji p q r s, f neigala में ap bp cr এটা নেইଥିଲେ suppose ଆମର here codomain of f is equal to pqrs. It is codomain. And you see range of f. Yes, it is pr. You see it is a subset of codomain of f. It is a subset. Range of f is a subset of the codomain. So yes, this is how it is a proper subset of the codomain. Equal be right? This is f of a. Then our image of f of a is called the image set of A under F. এটা কোয়া যায় এর ইমেজ সেট রাইট আমি ইমেজ গোটে পার্টিকুলার মূল্যର ডিটারমিন করଥିଲେ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ set ର image right and the suppose f is a function from x to y then yes if b is a subset of y then the set of pre-image of b under f is f inverse b बोली तो लिखा जाए it is the set of elements x belongs to a such that yes x such that fx belongs to b sorry x belongs to x such that fx belongs to b ता माने x ର जो एलिमेंट ର इमेज b रे थिबे b ର प्री इमेज रे सेही माने रहिबे राइट x ର जो एलिमेंट ର इमेज गुडा को b रे थिबे let us take an example here you may take suppose b is QRS f inverse b will be what एटी p आर काहे केला ना रेंज कला एटी f of a बार मतलब f of a yes in our case it will be here in this example f of a केते आसीबो f of a एटा केते अछि नहीं सपोज नबा में if a is suppose ab then f of a will be what the set of elements f of a f of b but this is only p f of a is p f of p is also p so this is f of a सेमती हमें नबा गोटे b नबा b केते नेले qrs नेतिले नाही कि qrs so f inverse b कोन हबो जार इमेज q नाही मोटे हमर जो फंक्शन लेचे मोटे नाही आउ r रो यस अछि c रहिबो कोन कहै छी f inverse b x belongs to x such that fx belongs to b x रो f of a p p टा हमर b रे अछि कि b टा कोन अछि qrs तेनु ए रहिबनी f of b केते p भी हम b रे नाही तेनु b रहिबनी f of c कोन हबडी f of c is r टा हमर b रे अछि तेनु एठी c रहिला बस आउ x ର कोनोसी एलिमेंट नाही जहार इमेज टा b रे रहिबो बुझियला b टा होची y रो एलिमेंट डायग्रामेटिकली देखिबो डायग्रामेटिकली देखिबो सेम जिंस माने इथिले कोन x ने आइतला x it is a b c and y ने आइला p q r s राइट हमें जो फंक्शन डिफाइन कले f कोन अछि ap bp and cr तो एठी हमें गोटे सेट नेले a नेले ab आमे f of a टा कोन कहिचु fx such that x belongs to a ता माने एटा आसीबो कोन f of a f of b that is pp f of a bp f of b bp तमन दिथर pp गोटे सेट रे लिखबा कि आवश्यक नै इट इज सिंपली this is f of a right हमें b गोटे नेले सेट हां this is f of a f of a right this was a b नेले हमें कोन b b b नेथिले कते qrs qrs this set this is b this is b ताले कोन हमें f प्री इमेज ऑफ b केमति लिखा होची f इनवर्स b ता माने f inverse b is the set x belongs to a such that x so that fx belongs to b x रो जो एलिमेंट गुडा का इमेज b रे थिबे से माने केवल b रो प्री इमेज रे रहिबे ताले की अछंती सब देखबा a रो इमेज x यदि a हुए x कोठी अछि b रो अछि नाही b टा एतिक नाम रो f of b नाही f of c अछि तेनो एठी प्री इमेज ऑफ b रे रहइबो c आउ के रहइबो आउ तो इमेज आउ एलिमेंट नाहंती x रे तेनो its pre image will be equal to this set so this is about image pre image अच्छा एगुडा को हमें डायग्रामेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करिबा गोटे फंक्शन को ए भलिया सपोज diagrammatic representation of a function x it is y it is f is a function from x to y right एटा होची x तो एटा आसीबो हमरो range of f or fx which is equal to f of x and एठी हमें जदि गोटे छोटिया सेट नोचे x रो सबसेट ताले f of a टा यार भी सबसेट इट इज f of a the range of f रो सबसेट देखो range of f is always subset of the codomain and if a is any subset of x then f of a is a subset of range of f this is diagrammatic representation similarly एठी जदि eta x eta y f is a function from this to this is suppose b then f inverse b will be here f inverse b right f inverse b 8 right जो एलिमेंट उडा रे ठी रिलेशन थिबो जेंति हम एठी बार कले एक्जेक्टली ए चित्र नु तम बेटर बुझी हला सो दिस इज अबाउट द प्रिलिमिनरीज अबाउट योर फंक्शन नेक्स्ट टाइम इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस मोर अबाउट योर फंक्शन वी विल गिव different examples of your function then we will proceed okay thank you all